Today we are going to be grateful for abundance. Whether you have it or you don't, abundance doesn't mean just money in your bank account. You can have nothing, but you're abundant in love, time, people listen to you. You're working, you got your health, you feel abundant because you're grateful for everything that's working for you. You don't have to have a lot to feel abundant. At the same time, you can have a lot. A lot of people have so much, but yet they don't feel abundant. They feel lack all the time. Abundance is an energy. And I want you to reflect today with your eyes closed on every part of your life where you can find some abundance. You have love, that's abundance. You have integrity, that's abundance. You have food on your table, that's abundance. Focus on these things and be so grateful for them. And you can also reflect on what else you would like to invite into your life in terms of abundance and reflect on that and be grateful for that in advance with thanks and deep gratitude. Reflect, connect with the emotion, and be grateful.